Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Located in the family-oriented neighborhood of Willowdene, St. Catherine, is this 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 2,000 square feet house and 4,000 square feet of land. Centrally located, the property is within close proximity to shopping, schools, recreation, and churches. The house can be utilized as a family dwelling or you can live while you earn, as it provides the option of one side being an income producing unit. Some other features of this house includes ceramic tile, grilled, fully fenced, easy access, family oriented and quiet area. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 25 million or US $162,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.